Okay, what do you got here for us?
Okay, now we're going to talk about the difference between our fabulous silky patina and our chalky patina. So this one I've painted in our silky patina. You see how smooth that is?
Oh yeah,
Beautiful,
it
right?
feels smooth. Yeah.
Neat.
What color is
you
that?
can see the sheen in it. This is antique slate, one of our
Antique
very
slate.
popular colors. And this is our chalky patina. Can you see how matte that is? And feel that.
Oh yeah, it
Rough,
feels-
right?
Yeah.
This one is paint, primer, top coat, all in one. It's done, basically. Now, if you want to distress it a little, you wouldn't sand this because you may scratch it. So you want to wet distress it. So grab a cloth, and wherever you think you'd like to distress, you just rub a little bit. And this is shortly after you've painted it, because you don't want it to cure too much, because if it cures, it's going to be very difficult to get it off. So this is, I painted this probably 20 minutes ago.
Okay, so it felt dry to me, but
Yeah.
I see what you mean by curing.
That's how you're going to wet distress it. And you're going to wet distress probably, areas like corners that would get rubbed off. That's the whole point of that, to give it that nice aged look, but it's really natural when you wet distress it like that.
Nice.
Or you just leave it perfect.
Okay.
This is our Key Largo color. I just did this. Well, actually, Carla did this one. So we can see the difference between chalky and silky.
Yeah, it just has a bit of a sheen to it on the silky side.
Yeah. With chalky, I mean, absolutely you could leave it as is, but it's rough and it's very porous. And by porous, if you spill anything on it, it's going to make a stain because it's just going to suck it right in. Okay. So we do want to protect our work because we don't want to work that hard and not have it protected. So we always have to sand it smooth first.
So you're just using a sanding block?
I'm just using a sanding block. I usually use fine medium. So I always start with a fine and then work my way up. So this is all you do to sand it smooth.
Now, is this where everyone freaks out because the color has changed?
Yeah. Because now it's, oh my gosh, the color's gone, but it's not really gone. See how quick that was? All you're doing is taking the roughness out of it. Now, if I want that gorgeous French country look, I'm going to distress it a little bit further. I'm just going to sand a little bit harder on the corners.
So now you're switching to the medium grade?
Yeah, well, it's all your hand, you know? So you just kind of do whatever feels right for you.
Oh, I can see how it really looks distressed there on the corner.
Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so, and just grab your rag, get rid of all the dust. If you're outside, you can just blow it around. If you're not outside, you don't want to blow that around your house.
Well, the thing I like about the paints is there's absolutely no smell to them. There's no odor.
No, you can use that in your house, no problem, right? So now we're going to use our amazing Bluestone house natural beeswax furniture polish. It's gorgeous. It's made by a local beekeeper for me here in Ontario, Canada, and I just love it. It's actually a floor polish recipe, so we know it's very durable. You want to get your palm waxer and just do it in a circular motion so you get the wax on here. Not so much that it's chunky the way I have it, but enough that it's tacky.
Now you can use any kind of waxer, yes?
Sorry, let me move that.
Not just a palm waxer?
No, I just like this because it's very easy to use. You could actually put it on with a rag if you don't want to invest in a because your tools are quite dear. But you could start off with a rag. It's just a lot of muscle to get the effect. So I like to use our palm waxer in a circular motion. You want to grind the wax like right in there so that you know it's going to be really well protected. Okay? Now you can see the wax on there. You want to feel that, Carla?
So it's tacky.
Yeah, tacky.
But it's very nice.
Oh, it's beautiful. You can rub that right into your fingers. Yeah. And then grab a nice clean cloth, not like my dirty one here, but and then you're going to buff it. There is no wait time. It's natural beeswax furniture polish. There's sometimes people think you have to wait and let it cure, but not with this. You have to just buff until you're happy with the sheen, and your cloth should just run right smooth off of it. So there's really no
oh wow,
essential. Isn't that gorgeous?
You can still see the chalkiness there where you didn't do, so you can see the difference.
You see the difference? Isn't that gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Delicious.
Are we done this one?
We're done this one.